It gets about 6 liters per 100 kilometers, or about 40 miles per gallon. Thank you, dude.
Put it in H.
Man, those areolas are whack. I need them to be at least 3 times the size.
How about Reader's Rides?
Do you have Reader's Rides ready?
There are Reader's
That's exciting.
Rides. Please hold.
We love our readers.
And their rides.
No, their rides suck.
You could ride a reader.
I
That
wouldn't.
might
That's
be gay.
Against the law. That's against
It
the
could
law,
be.
for sure.
Statistically, that is gay. Here is...
Yes.
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. Reader's Rides. Number 1. Title. Edgelord with taste. Reader's Rides. Known as UCF Pickle. Here's my 2 shit boxes that I love dearly even when they break. First is my first car known as Javon Quavius, I think is what he's going for here.
Okay.
03
Yeah.
Lexus LS430. It has a blown up torque converter. You can see it's in, looks like it's in racing gold. Drinks gas like my dad.
God damn it.
That's a color. That's totally acceptable to say. It's like that champagne color.
Got it. Yep. Okay.
That's acceptable to say. Okay.
It's in this like
the badges don't appear to be gold.
yeah, but this is like really heavily filtered. I mean, I can't tell what's what here. It looks white.
I mean, you can, yeah. Well,
that's fine.
The doors are 2 different colors, even with the filter.
Yeah, you can definitely see that the doors are 2 different colors.
I hate those wheels, but other than
Yes.
that, it's a great car.
Yeah, it's fine.
The wheels are whack. Second is my $300 Shartstang V6 Auto New Edge Mustang, which currently has a hole in the block and a lake underneath in my barracks parking lot. Thank you.
Checks out. Yeah.
Wait, all of that checks out.
That all checks out for sure. And this was sent in 2023. I hope things are going better for you now.
I added him.
Mustang's still
They never
there.
had.
He's got towed to different barracks.
Chief Fent, thanks for sending us your cars. They're good ones. What's it say there? Something to offend.
Something
Your
built to
opinion.
offend.
Ugh.
Yeah, built to offend. Your opinion.
Ugh.
Build to a gross. This is
Damn,
This
this
is
guy's
up there
cool
with-
Ugh.
Yeah, he's the hardest
For the
E3
love
at the
of
barracks. Let's go.
God, dude.
God damn.
Ugh. But the rest of it, just fantastic. And up next,
Are you trying to be positive for some reason today?
these cars. Actually, I like both of these. The truth is, I like both of these
They're
cars.
fine.
They're,
Yeah.
both, they're
No, no,
both
no.
just ruined. You know, this one doesn't move and
Yeah.
this one doesn't move.
Yeah.
I,
Totally.
oh, yeah, there. Well, it's a
Yeah.
Shartstang. What are you going to do? It was
Yeah,
$300.
Yeah.
What about Oliver with his viewer car submission? Love the videos. Don't know if you guys still do viewer car reviews back in 2023. But here's my 1991 Holden Commodore. Got an Australian, I'm sure.
I thought there was a what, B14? B13?
You thought this was a Sentra?
Really looking at it? Yeah, it's got that ugly front end.
No, I thought it was a Cavalier. I mean, like, if it's a Holden, it probably is a Cavalier.
At first glance, it looks like a
Probably.
Caprice with a Subaru SVX front end. But, and also, is that it
Bizarro world.
looks like a Saab badge? I don't know what's going on here. He says it's a Holden Commodore, whatever. It's,
It's a GTA car.
it's,
We determined this already. That's what Australia gets.
oh, there you go. It's a
Like,
Holden
look at this.
Commodore.
Like, you've never seen this car anywhere else on Earth.
no.
only
Except for
only in
GTA.
Grand Theft Auto.
No, this is a render for sure. It's my first car. I paid 12,000 Australian AUD worthless currency, and it has a Buick 3800 V6 and an auto box. That's nice.
Yep.
It doesn't
It'll
leak and
never
it runs
die.
great at 74,000 miles. The paint is mint, AC blows a bit too cold, and it's not fast, but I like it. No rust because Australia has good weather.
Wait, go back
Where to?
to the meat.
The meat?
The meat forward,
And the
technically.
potatoes.
There you go.
There you go.
Is this the
More
meat?
Bizarro cars.
Yeah.
More
Well, that's
Aussie
just a
cars.
GTO to the right. Yeah, that's a fun looking wagon.
Wagon. Wow.
You got the goat over there.
This is just the lineup from GTA 5. That's all any of this is.
Yeah.
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 Very fun.
No, cute cars. Cute
But
cars.
I'm glad you flipped the image right side up for us, though.
Oh, yeah. Thank God.
Can I rotate it from here?
Hit him with the laugh track, Atlas.
Do it in post.
Atlas.
1958 turd from Allen. I bought this thing a couple years ago, and it became my not snow Detroit Metro daily driver. 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne with a 235 Stovebolt i6 and Power Glide. Bought it out of a field and riveted in some floor pans, no other rust, but some interesting visual patina. Also, I removed a critter subdivision to make it livable. It just works, so I drive it. No seatbelts. I added a hidden Bluetooth radio. I had dreams about engine swapping it when the motor goes, but it hasn't, and I don't think it will. The high compression 235 at 8.5 to 1 is a tank. It fires up in 5-degree weather. Soon mods include a dual pot master cylinder, it's fine, and some seatbelts. Maybe one day. It's a car. It works. Ignore the gold Pontiac. It was my first car I bought in 2006. I did a lot of stuff that boomers told me was cool. and my younger self did a bunch of dumb stuff that I'm undoing now. It had Krager's and all that shit. I like the Steelies more. Love your guys' content. A 1958 Chevy Biscayne that at one point this man was daily driving around Detroit.
I
Sick.
believe it.
Pretty
but, like,
based.
Good for this dude.
honestly, yeah, like
Yeah,
sick. I
good for him.
guess. I feel like every enthusiast has had that dream in one form or another. Where like if you're into JDM or if you're into old like Detroit stuff, where you're just like, I could buy one of those 70 cars and daily drive it around town. Hell yeah.
Why has it got like the hole for a European license plate in the front?
I think that's just the way that it is.
I guess the back is
That
like
was
kind of
that's
same
the
thing.
handlebar mustache for the front.
Oh, yeah.
Hell
kind
yeah,
of,
brother.
kind of more of a tight, centered, straight mustache if you look at it.
I don't really have a good sound effect for that.
Just Hitler yelling.
Yeah.
That's I gotta tell you, it's not my favorite 1958 Chevrolet.
No, but you know what? That's fine. Like that he daily drove it and did
Yeah.
all of this. Well, whatever, right? Like it's not worth any money. It
sure.
don't matter.
Yeah,
For sure.
it's cool. I like
Why
it.
weren't you driving 70-year-old cars in your youth, Atlas?
Because I was still in my like driving all kinds of different phases.
This is a shitbox.
Yeah, that is true. Now you can't make money flipping those cars. Like
I
that's
see.
that's what we did when I was young. Was we flipped
Understood.
did, like traffic.
Damn, here is the meat. I thought that these pictures were from Cuba the first time when
No,
I was downloading these.
That's on Belle Isle. I know exactly where that's at. This picture right here.
Belle Isle.
Belle Isle. That's the island in the Detroit River that is still
Got a
Boomer
technically-
Isle.
Model T out.
Yeah.
Crazy. Nice car.
Crazy.
Nice car, boss. Yo, what we got back
Hey.
there? What is that
Yo.
thing?
Frontier.
Yeah, I think that's. Yeah, I think
Yep.
you're right. Little Nissan.
Frontier action.
Good call.
R.I.P. to the GOAT.
F.
Nissan, that
just
is.
Nissan
Not
in
necessarily the
general, right?
Frontier.
Yeah.
Yeah, real
Yeah,
quick,
not the
real quick
Frontier.
aside. We all saw that they are just now rebadging the Rogue EV as the, or excuse me, they're rebadging like some Mitsubishi as the Rogue EV now. Like it's
Oh yeah.
blatantly just a
What?
Mitsubishi. Let me show
Yep.
you.
But it's not even
Well,
so like that's the thing about it. If we're really going down this rabbit hole, is they're keeping the regular Rogue. Like that's not going anywhere. The ICE
Right.
version is still fine, gonna be the Rogue, but they're borrowing this Mitsubishi EV and then calling it the Rogue EV, and it's two completely different looking vehicles.
And one is
They're not
just
even close.
Mitsubishi. Like it
Yes.
does not look
Yeah,
any
yeah,
different.
yeah.
It has a Nissan
I mean-
badge on it. That's it.
Yes.
This is the
Yes.
blind leading the stupid if Nissan's stealing a Mitsubishi, so who gives a
I guess they gave them the platform, like the whatever Mitsubishi's
Man.
car is built on the Nissan Rogue platform. So then it's like 3 degrees removed from Nissan, but now it's coming back, and it just
I didn't know Mitsubishi had cars to steal from.
yeah,
in
they have car.
Japan.
That water is so obviously photoshopped in. The
Yeah.
blue ocean water.
oh this one yeah.
It looks like an AI rendering, not even Photoshop.
Pretty sure at this point Nissan is just being run by an AI.
Feels like it, doesn't it?
The real CEO died years ago. They just
No,
put
he-
an AI
he-
chip in his brain.
He fled to Argentina or something
Yes.
years ago, and
Yeah.
In a box, yeah.
they're never gonna let him back. They didn't bother to get a new one. Here is up next. We have we're kind of ripping through these, but here's number 4. Greetings from Indonesia from Ga. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm probably not, but GA is this guy's name. Hello, I like to watch your car reviews, so I upload this photo just for fun, and not for sale because it's my parents' car, LOL, but sometimes I drive this car often. It is my first-gen Suzuki Swift 2009. The type is ST, so it is local built and different than any Swift. It's downgraded than any Swift. No airbags, manual only, no ABS, etc. But it is fun to drive.
Oh, yeah.
A month
Die
ago,
like real men.
a month ago, she has issue in the gearbox and finally repaired it at Suzuki official repair shop. Okay, just it, see ya. NB : sorry for my bad English smiley face. Hell yeah, dude.
Nice
Hell
cat.
yeah.
dude. Yeah, good cat.
Can't tell if it's alive or not, but nice cat.
Oh, that cat's chilling.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nah,
look,
that
nice
cat's
puss.
alive.
that cat.
That cat's
Is it?
alive.
That cat's
that
just
cat's
like, I love
chilling.
my owner. I'm gonna lay down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right in the middle of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what cats do, though.
It is a particularly flat cat. I will. Oh, damn, look at that little guy.
They feed the cat.
Yeah, feed that
That
cat lunch
cat looked like
too.
he got run over, man. I don't know.
That cat's just chilling. He's fine. Don't
He's fine.
disrespect our Indonesian fan base. This guy rules.
The Indonesian fan.
What we got here? Merchant Marine Academy.
Yo, now it all makes sense.
Lit.
Does it?
There's a lot of Indonesians in the Merchant Marines. Yeah.
I did not know
Soldier
that.
of Fortune.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Damn.
Well, sick Swift, dude. Congrats.
Maybe more rare than a Mitsubishi is a Suzuki on the road.
Yeah.
I knew a guy with, what did we get? Did we get the Swift here? We got a
Yeah.
Suzuki.
Yeah, we got the Swift.
Yeah.
I think.
I knew a
I
guy
know the
with
Aereo SXV or some like that was
Just-
just
Yeah.
like one of the last
like-
cars they sold.
Where do you even find a Suzuki dealership to go buy one?
Not in this country.
You are now breathing manually. Like, subscribe, and hype to help this channel grow. Thank you.
Oh, wing-a-dinga.
Oh.
Another daily driver
God
from
dang
Memphis. The guy's name is Memphis, much like Memphis Reigns. My daily
He's in
Impala.
Massachusetts.
Dude named Memphis would be driving this.
For sure.
Yeah.
You think, how long do you think his leather jacket is? Do you think it's knee length or just hip length?
I can't tell you, but I know this car's going to be gone in 60 seconds.
Hey.
This is my 1962 Chevy Impala. I call her Loretta. but
There you
it's-
go. Thank you.
I call her Loretta, but it's kind of cringe to name your cars. She used to be my grandma's in the 80s. She didn't take good care of her and then just left her out in a lot when she moved to North Carolina. I pulled the car out of the lot last summer and look at her now. Under the hood is a 283 Chevy small block, the original motor, and but I've had to replace a ton of it. Mods below. Overall, it's just it's almost impossible to daily, but I try. I'm a junior in high school. I'm a junior in high
Damn, for
school,
real?
and I drive her
Oh,
from school
yeah.
most days, unless something breaks. LOL. I think she's just a good drive-in movie car, but it needs a lot of work. And then he lists off all the stuff that he's done, and I gotta tell you, it's a fair amount of stuff. Good for you, man.
Good for
Yeah.
you.
Memphis is
Rock
cool.
the on.
Yo.
Memphis is in
He
college
at least
now.
knows his,
Yep.
at least
I
knows
love the
his way
overflow
around
bottle.
of can of spray paint.
Ask Memphis if he ever graduated. I know it's been a while.
Yeah, Memphis. Did you make it out?
Damn,
You let us
dog.
know. Car looks
You
nice.
let
Oh,
us
here's what it
know.
used to look like. Damn, gross.
Well, you did a good job then.
Yeah, you did a great
did.
job
Cleaned
of
it up.
cleaning this up. To
But like,
this.
for
Yeah, that
sure,
looks nice.
Yeah.
we all agree that this guy slicks his hair back and wears a long leather jacket, right?
Yeah, he's based
Yeah.
as dude. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
He,
absolutely.
they,
he's
they
not
just
paying
he just
greaser.
got teleported through space
the-
and time into current year.
Got it.
Got the lucky strikes in his in his shirt sleeve. Yeah, man.
They brought Lucky Strikes back just for this guy.
Yeah.
hmm Just for Memphis.
Yep. Nice looking car. Congratulations. Great job. Excellent work. Thumbs up. Now then.
Piece
This
of
one.
car.
This is our final
That's a
one
sad
for
E46.
Regis Rise. This one says the
Yo.
title was "Goddamn Tractor" from Justice.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Been watching videos for a while
Or is it
now.
just
Thank
ice?
God YouTube recommended me. You legends decided to send something you don't get in the U.S. an E46 sedan diesel. Short story. Brother bought it as a winter beater. Already crashed for €500. Then fixed it. Then you won't believe it, but it crashed again. And then he gave it to me. Car sat in the garage for half a year, being fixed, painted, etc. It's a 320D, 2-liter diesel, 150 horsepower stock. It has around 200 horsepower with a chip, and it gets about 6 liters per 100 kilometers, or about 40 miles per gallon. Thank you, dude.
Put it in H.
Yeah, thank God. 6 liters per 100 kilometers is how we're gonna say that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
No thanks. 40 miles per gallon. That's pretty nice. It has a 5-speed
That's
manual, got coils for it, wheels that were in 240 SX condition, whatever the fuck that means, and lots of interior pieces.
Rusty?
Yeah.
Roached.
Oh, I
guess.
see. I see what he means.
Okay.
They
Yikes.
haven't gotten past 56K over there, so the pictures do look
Yeah.
like this, but
Yeah. Actually, just the whole country's rendered like that. It's
it's very jaggy over there.
it is.
There are
They're trying to
no
up the polygon count.
No good pictures of this
can't
one
see your
ish.
car.
Wait,
the whole
so
car
like
in
it's
general
eBay
is a long-ass
2002
DIY
pictures.
project with some. Let me finish this, and then we can say all we want about the lack of pixels here. But lots of interior pieces. Whole car in general was a long-ass DIY project with some help of professionals that I know, and they helped a bit for free. Car has costed me about €4,000. Sadly, decided to sell it recently. Okay, that's all he has to say.
So this thing's been it's
This is pre-droid
every-
era, dude.
so every accident took
OG
away some of
Racer.
the pixels. Is that what happened here?
I mean, I think it might look good here. I don't know if it's worth €4,000.
Well, I don't know. The thing's been.
I mean,
crashed
from
at
500 to
least
4,000.
twice.
There you go.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Maybe he did all right on it. double crashed. I'm amazed that over in Europe this is allowed to be on the road anymore, to be honest.
Right.
They got like weird
come on now.
strict
I think it depends
insurance
on
things
where
going
in Europe.
Yeah, that's true.
It depends on what country in Europe, to be honest with you.
I would tell you what country, but there isn't a single license plate. There's one. All I can tell you is it's in the European Union.
Yep.
Okay, well, that narrows it down, not really much at all, actually.
That's
Double crashed BMW, that's Poochie
it's-
Death Race spec.
stick
Stick?
or fake stick.
Stick?
No, I think it's real.
I think it's a stick. It's got the sport seats, those are nice.
It's a diesel. It's not really something that
Yeah,
I
but
like.
it's like a
it's cool.
it's like a diesel, right? Like we're
I mean,
not
you get
breaking any land
ton
speed
of
records
torque.
here,
No,
but we are,
she's cute. All right, so out of the ones that we've seen, what do you like? What do you like here?
What do I like out of all of this?
I like this.
That,
I was just about to say this.
the very first car.
I
can
like,
see
and
it.
you know what though? The only problem this one has is that we just need to clean the wheel. We just need to change the wheels. We don't
We
need
gotta
to
put
clean it. We
stock
just need to
wheels
change
back
the
on
wheels.
this thing. That's all.
And,
we gotta do.
and a transmission.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Out of all of these,
If the best
I would
one is one with a
probably
blown
take-
transmission, let's take another look here. Maybe the Holden that's got 3,800 in it. This is pretty
Yeah,
nice.
like that'll
different,
run forever. I don't particularly love the white walls, but
No.
again, could change that. No big deal.
Why
Yeah,
did we
they
go
look fine.
Wingadinga? Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
They look fine.
It's too wing-a-dinga.
It's pretty Wingadinga.
Just put regular
wing-a-dinga.
like 90s wheels on it and it'll be fine. Like that faded ass silver color, whatever.
Yeah.
That would be fine.
yeah.
I'd still take the E46 because I'm a glutton for punishment.
You know that the high school kid got the best car because he fixed that thing up
the
for real.
Impala.
Oh yeah, you know what?
Yeah, he did.
All right.
Yeah, I kind of think
did
that
all
Bukos is right on
Like
that
that's a
one.
night and day difference from what his grandma left him.
It's probably it's probably
Yeah. I
guess it
fine.
depends
I guess
on,
I
like-
don't know. Because he said, didn't he say in the thing like, oh yeah, when it runs, haha, sometimes, but like it's
What
the
you gonna
most
He made it
simple.
to
But like
McDonald's. It's good.
It's the simplest setup ever. There's like, what do you mean it don't run? What could be wrong here?
Yeah, which of the 6 parts in here is not working correctly?
Yes.
God, there's so much room for activities.
That there's just no room for anything to go wrong.
Look, I'm gonna tell you
Yeah.
this: it's not the BMW, that's for sure.
No.
it ain't the Swift.
I mean, yeah, probably the Impala.
not the Biscayne.
Yes.
It's down to either the Impala or the Commodore.
The Holden. Yeah.
And I gotta go with the American one, obviously. So yeah, nice dude.
yeah. USA. USA.
So you win this one.
Yeah, congratulations. Who had this one? Let's see here. Memphis.
The Memphis Reigns.
Congratulations on
Memphis.
winning Reader's Rides.
This is the thing we're doing now. You get to win.
Yeah.
Yeah, you win. Bragging rights.
This will
And
renew some
maybe a
interest
sticker or
because we're
something.
still not 2 years behind or anything like that. Send
Yeah.
your car to us at collectorcarfeed.
Remember when we had a plan to
gmail.com.
catch up? That didn't work out.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So anyways,
well,
if you
yeah.
email us pictures of your car at collectorcarfeed.com at gmail.com. I said that all wrong, like I do every time.
Collectorcarfeed@gmail.com.
Yeah, do that.
How
Send
much
them there.
more behind are we now, if you had to guess?
Year and a half.